Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back outside. Now it's not raining, now it's sunny, which I like way better than the rain. And I want to express one concern that I actually had on Bitcoin for the year 2023, and I will explain you exactly why, because that concern has actually two reasons, also a clear invalidation. You can let me know in the comment section what you think about this. But as you guys know, I've been predicting the stock market and Bitcoin based on the Shemitah cycle. That is a 7-year cycle. We've been using that cycle very successfully, because we could predict actually the Bitcoin top and the regular financial markets top with 1 month. With 1 month space, basically. So that is quite nice. The 7-year cycle. I think that is a very interesting cycle. And if you are young like me, if you are still have a lot of years where you want to be active in the financial markets, I would definitely recommend every single one of you to mark the 7-year cycle in your calendar. So the next 7-year cycle, whenever that occurs, the Shemitah year, I would highly recommend every single one of you to take out your positions in the regular financial markets, take out positions in crypto, wait that year out. That is something that I've learned. Maybe even you can take this cycle one step further and put something in place that you also not working too much that year. I know 2022 was that Shemitah year, and of course all the markets went down. We know that, that's a fact, and it's coincidentally again in the Shemitah year. But you can see that the economic growth and things like here on the channel went quite struggling, right? When things were not easy like in the bull market, right? And in the Bible, it's also well known, or actually better said, the Torah, there's the Jewish Bible. The 7th year is the year of taking a rest. It's the same as Sunday in a week. Sunday, you're not allowed to work actually. And sometimes these things have a reason, right? This is like ancient wisdom. And maybe this is also applicable, or maybe we could also apply this to a yearly or multiple year cycle, where in the 7th year we take a break. We're not like working and stressing ourselves too hard. Now it's already too late for previous year, but for the next years to come, we take out our positions. We take a year, we do it easy. We take things easy, be in the present moment, enjoy, spend your money, do some fun things with the profits you took that year before. But one rule with the Shemitah cycle is that once the Shemitah cycle is completed, which will mean that we have seen the low, which we have maybe right now seen in Bitcoin and the regular financial markets, but they also say that the year after the Shemitah cycle, things are slowly building up, but also still going sideways. So not a massive bull run. That would go against the 16-year cycle. Not completely against the 16-year cycle, because the 16-year cycle can also be bullish in 2024, right? But 2023 should also be bullish based on the 16-year cycle. However, depending on where we are, that could be delayed as well. So that is one concern that I have, that the year after the Shemitah cycle, which is 2023, things also are going to be easy. And things are going to be quiet, and it will have a slow grind up. Okay, so that is one of the concerns, but we will see that unfold. It's for sure good to position yourself during 2023 for these massive rallies that maybe come later 2023 or in 2024. Second concern, and this one is a different one, that is the 200-week moving average. As you guys know, Bitcoin is trading below the 200-week moving average, and we haven't done that really actually in the past of Bitcoin. We always were above the 200-week moving average. The only time we went below that was March 2020. We had that crash, we had a wick below, but yeah, Bitcoin launched to a massive rally from 3k to 60,000 or almost 70,000 US dollar. But we didn't really broke below the 200-week moving average. Right now we're trading below, and we are retesting this level. So the previous time Bitcoin got rejected, that was at the 200-week moving average exactly. So we got to be slightly cautious right here as well. As long Bitcoin is trading below this level, we might still see a little bit downside, but that also means the opposite is true. If Bitcoin can break above this level, which is roughly around 25,000 US dollars, 25.1k for my head. No, all these moving averages for my head right now. But if we break above that, weekly close above it, that could mean we start that massive rally we've been waiting for, like a really nice bullish rally, multiple months with green candles like we've seen in 2021. But we haven't broke that level as well. So this is my concern a little bit. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I do think we have seen the low based on the 4-year cycle low, as you guys know. But I want to be slightly cautious right here, and I want to express my caution right here on the channel as well. That for the Shemitah cycle, the year after the Shemitah year also is normally a quiet year. But that is more based on the stock markets, right? It could always mean that Bitcoin takes off while stock markets go sideways, maybe even down. That is a possibility, but we don't have that evidence of that as yet. So we still need to wait for that evidence to occur. And the second thing is the 200-week moving average. I think that is the next big obstacle for Bitcoin. If we can break above the 200-week moving average, I think a lot of bullishness will come back into the markets, and we can be more confident of nice rallies to the upside. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button. If you like this kind of content right here in the forest, make sure to share this with your friends. It's very important, guys, because if you share this with friends, the message will be spread, and yeah, the channel can grow, and we can basically help more people right here for free with the knowledge, right? Okay, guys, I love you all very much. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.